Garlic is widely recognized for its health benefits. It is a powerful superfood that can help strengthen the immune system, combat infections, and even promote heart health. However, like any natural remedy, garlic needs to be consumed correctly to avoid adverse effects. When used improperly, it can cause harm instead of providing the expected benefits. Let's explore the 8 main risks of incorrect garlic consumption.
1. Digestive problems.
Raw garlic, when consumed in large quantities, can irritate the gastrointestinal tract. This occurs because garlic contains sulfur compounds, such as allicin, which can cause stomach discomfort, nausea, vomiting, and even diarrhea in some people. Excessive consumption of raw garlic can irritate the stomach and intestinal lining, leading to severe abdominal pain.
2. Allergic reactions.
Although rare, some people may develop allergic reactions to garlic. Symptoms of an allergic reaction can include skin rashes, itching, swelling, difficulty breathing, and in severe cases, anaphylaxis, a potentially fatal allergic reaction. Those who are allergic to garlic should avoid it completely and be mindful of food products that may contain garlic. 3. Interference with medications. Garlic is known for its anticoagulant properties, which can be beneficial for cardiovascular health. However, when consumed in excess or combined with anticoagulant medications such as warfarin, garlic can increase the risk of severe bleeding. Additionally, garlic can interfere with the effectiveness of medications used to treat hypertension and diabetes. If you regularly use medications, it's important to consult a doctor before including large amounts of garlic in your diet.
4. Low blood pressure.
Garlic has the ability to lower blood pressure, which is great for people with hypertension. However, for those who already have low blood pressure, excessive garlic consumption can lead to a dangerous drop in blood pressure, causing dizziness, fainting, and even hypovolemic shock, which is a potentially fatal condition.
5. Blood clotting problems.
In addition to its effects on blood pressure, garlic can also affect blood clotting. People who consume large amounts of garlic, especially in its raw form, may experience prolonged bleeding times. This is particularly concerning for people who are about to undergo surgery, as the risk of excessive bleeding increases significantly. Therefore, it is advisable to stop consuming garlic at least 2 weeks before any surgical procedure. 6. Body odor and bad breath. Garlic is known to cause bad breath, but its effects are not limited to the mouth. The strong odor of garlic can be expelled through the pores of the skin, resulting in persistent body odor. This occurs because the sulfur compounds in garlic are metabolized and excreted by the body, causing a strong and unpleasant smell. This can be a significant inconvenience, especially in social and professional situations.
7. Skin irritation.
Handling raw garlic can cause skin irritation for some people, especially those with sensitive skin. Garlic contains substances that can be corrosive and cause contact dermatitis, a condition that manifests with redness, itching, and even blisters. Those who frequently handle garlic, such as cooks and chefs, should consider wearing gloves to avoid this type of irritation.
8. Food poisoning.
Although garlic has antimicrobial properties, when stored improperly, it can become a breeding ground for dangerous bacteria such as Clostridium botulinum, which causes botulism. Botulism is a serious foodborne illness that can lead to paralysis and even death. To avoid this risk, it is essential to store garlic properly, preferably in a cool, dry, and well-ventilated place, and avoid storing chopped or crushed garlic in oil for too long. How to safely consume garlic. Garlic can remain a powerful ally for your health as long as it is consumed in moderation and in the right way. Here are some tips to ensure you're reaping the benefits of garlic without taking risks. Moderation is key. As with anything in life, balance is essential. Avoid consuming large amounts of raw garlic, especially all at once. If you enjoy the intense flavor of raw garlic, try using it in small quantities and observe how your body reacts. Cooking garlic. Cooking garlic can reduce the concentration of sulfur compounds, making it gentler on the digestive system. Additionally, cooked garlic still offers many of the same health benefits without the risk of gastrointestinal irritation or extreme bad breath. Sensitivity testing. If you've never consumed large amounts of raw garlic before, do a sensitivity test. Start with small portions and gradually increase, observing how your body reacts. If you experience any discomfort, reduce the amount or stop consuming it. Consulting a doctor. If you are taking medications or have a pre-existing health condition, consult your doctor before increasing your garlic intake or using it as a treatment for any condition. This is especially important for people taking anticoagulants or blood pressure medications. Garlic in daily nutrition. Garlic can be incorporated into your diet in various ways without you having to worry about possible side effects. A safe way to consume garlic is to add it to cooked dishes like soups, sauces, and stir-fries. The heat from cooking helps to soften the potency of the sulfur compounds while preserving many of the health benefits. Another way to enjoy garlic is to use it in powder or capsule form, available in health food stores. These products typically contain a more controlled dose of active compounds, reducing the risk of adverse effects. However, it is important to choose high-quality products and follow the manufacturer's dosage recommendations. Garlic is an incredible food with numerous health benefits, but it should be consumed in moderation and conscientiously. Using it incorrectly can do more harm than good, impairing the body's function and putting your health at risk. If you want to make the most of garlic's powers, consult a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet. Remember that, like any other food or natural remedy, garlic should be used wisely and with respect for the body's balance. If you enjoyed this content and want to keep learning about how to improve your health naturally, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. And before you go, take the opportunity to check out the next video that will appear on the screen about the miraculous benefits of drinking water with baking soda. You'll be surprised by the power of this simple combination and how it can transform your health. See you there.